Hello, John here with another video. Remember this? The ZX Spectrum 128 Just Speccy, and we had a few problems with it. Well, I'm going to take the bits and find out why we couldn't select the 128 mode, and we'll have a look to see if we can do something with the card. So here we go. Just going to take it a bit. Right, now these guys had a membrane, so we've got to be careful when we take this off. See if it's still got a membrane. Yes, it has. You see the two membranes? So I'll just pull them out just very gently. That's one. That's two. Oh, got a set of wires not plugged in. We've got a set plugged in there, so I'll take them out. So, got a set of wires. That's the one that did the MMC selector, but this one is not even plugged in. Okay. But here we go. There's the Just Speccy motherboard. Oh, it comes out pretty easy as well. Right, put that back. There we go. So that is the there you can see Just Speccy 128K, issue number 3. So that must be there's a jumper there. You see it, 2 prongs. So that's must be the NMI selector. There's a jumper here. I wonder if that's the 128 selector. Right, but it's on 48, off 128. Hang on a sec. That's only a momentary switch. Right, it's only a momentary switch. That wouldn't work anyway. Needs to be a switch on, switch off. Okay, we'll see what we can do. Alright then, I'm going to see if I've got some switches and see if we can make a better job of that. Alright, see you in a minute. Bye. Hello. Right, I've managed to find 2 switches, so I've replaced that one. So this is going to be the momentary switch, basically push to connect and let go, it disconnects. And I've got one here that on, off, on, off. So this will be my 128 48 switch, and this will be the div MMC selector. So I'm just going to solder the wires up onto that and see if I've succeeded or not. Won't be a sec. Bye. Right then, I have joined the cables up to the 2 switches. So this is going to be my 128 48 switch, and this is going to be the reset for the MMC. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect them up. Now I need to take that jumper off because I've now got the cables, and so these 2 need to go in here. So that's one there, and that's one there. And then these 2 need to go one there and one there. So we'll connect everything back up and see if we have any joy. Hopefully we'll not need to come back in here. Right, I think that's everything. Just make sure nothing's pressing against anything. That looks like it's fine. Turn over. Screw them back in. Right then. So two switches. And we'll see what we get. See you in a moment. Hello, John here again. Well, I've connected the white ZX Spectrum up, and we're just going to see what it looks like on the screen. So here we go. Going to put the power supply in and see what we've got. Hey up. Well, we have got a ZX 128 screen. So let's see if we can. Oh yeah, so the keys are still working, so I haven't broke those. Press enter. Right, let's do the typical 10 space. Print, quotes, John, quotes, 20, space, print, space, is, space, great, enter, 30, space, go to 10, enter, run, yep, yep, right, we'll break that there. So looks like the 128 bit's working, so I'm going to unplug the power, going to press the red switch, and then I'm going to plug the power back in. Hey, there we go. So we're now into the 40K 8K mode. So we'll see if my NMI button still works. So here we go. Press it. There we go. Right. Oh, a game that works. 1. Define keys. Oh. Oh. That's H for help. Okay. Enter directory. Right, okay. View loading, view screen, V. Right, V. Okay. Back up. But at least it's working, so press space. Right, we'll turn it off. Click the red one, plug it back in, should get 128 mode. Yeah! Lovely jubbly. Excellent. Right, so that's fixed that. I hope that, well, I've learnt something anyway. Alright then, I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.